One of the problems that most affiliate marketers face in creating affiliate pages or promoting affiliate products is to create all of the assets that are required to promote affiliate programs and then earn commission from it. You will have to create funnel ads, landing pages, bonuses, promotional pages. So there are a ton of things that you might have. But what if all of this can be simplified? You don't need funnels, you don't need ads, you don't need to be posting on social media. All of these can be simplified using AI. The product that I'm going to review today is doing just that. This is Cash Swarm AI. Now, it creates passive traffic generating assets. You don't need any experience, no website required, and no ads required. And in this video, I'll show you how it works, why it's exciting, and whether it actually makes money. Now, Cash Swarm AI is a product that has been created by two veteran marketers, Dave Espino and Daniel Hall. Now, I have promoted quite a few products from Dave Espino, and I know any product that he backs with is something that is going to be very effective. And Daniel Hall is a veteran marketer who's used these same methods and generated a lot of money. So those are the creators behind this product. Now, what exactly does Cash Swarm AI give you? So let me just quickly walk you through some of the features. Now, Cash Swarm AI offers you an AI asset builder. You can choose a tool type, a language, a niche, and create a lot of these affiliate assets. It's pretty easy to do that. You have about 50 plus done for you templates, which is included. You get a monetization engine, which basically helps you embed the affiliate offers or the lead magnets, and you will be able to make money from them. It also comes with a traffic of autopilot, which basically shows you how to push these assets to free traffic sources. These could be different tools, directories, forums, etc. And this entire thing is a set and forget it model. So once you've set up the model, then you don't need to go back and do a lot of tweaking or anything. So it is that simple. Now, what are the use cases for Cash Swarm AI? It is ideal for anybody who is new into affiliate marketing. It is also good for anybody who is into affiliate marketing but hasn't made a lot of money. This is good for digital product creators who wants to create lead magnets, or agencies and consultants who wants to create lead magnets to promote affiliates. Now, Daniel Hall uses these same techniques that are shown in this product and pulled more than $60,000 from affiliate promotions. This entire thing can be set up in less than 5 minutes, and you can focus elsewhere while you let it run and let it make money from affiliate promotions for you. So what are some of the pros and cons of Cash Swarm AI? Now, something that I found by testing out Cash Swarm AI is that one, the entry is super low. It is super low cost entry at only about $17 on the front end. You don't need any tech, no funnels required, no ads required, simple to do. There are diverse monetization techniques, so you can use it in multiple ways and make money. And there are no monthly charges. It is just a one-time payment. There are some optional upgrades available which you can go with, but not everything is needed for the entire system. Some of the cons that I found is that still requires a deployment strategy and placement, which is something that you will have to put your brains on. It won't suit traditional ad focused marketers. So if you're somebody who is into advertising to promote affiliate products and make money from them, then it is not going to work for you. The upgrades might end up being a little costly. So if you really go for the upgrades, then the overall purchase might be a little costly, but it is not needed. You can only go with the front end, which is basically a good system that you can go ahead and use it. So if you want a passive set and forget traffic system at a low cost, then Cash Swarm AI is something that is worth checking out. You'll be able to find a link to this in the description box below. Go ahead, check it out. And if you're using this link, then I want to quickly show you some of the bonuses that I'm offering you if you're using the link that is there in the description box below to purchase Cash Swarm AI. So let me quickly walk you through some of the bonuses that I have on offer. Okay, so here are some of the bonuses that I'm offering you if you choose to purchase Cash Swarm AI from the link that is there in the description box. The first bonus is Fast Traffic Igniter. It is basically a 7-day free traffic plan that shows you how to generate traffic to your affiliate assets or affiliate products that you are promoting. The second bonus that I'm offering you is a PDF with 50 high converting affiliate promo prompts. Now, these are some promo prompts that you can use to generate blog posts, to generate review videos, review posts, or social media posts. So these are some quick, high converting promo prompts that you can use to create these assets. The third bonus that I have on offer is the funnel launch toolkit. This is basically plug and play assets that will help you skyrocket your campaigns, because this is a simple funnel launch toolkit which will help you launch your funnel without all of that brainstorming and without all of the tech overwhelm. The fourth bonus that I have for you, these are all custom bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. These are bonuses that I have created for anybody who purchases Cash Swarm AI from the link that is there in the description box below. This is AI video blueprint, AI video domination blueprint. This basically is a blueprint on how you can create traffic pulling videos without being on camera, promote affiliate products and make commissions from them. And there is an exclusive bonus that I have, which is a Rolodex, which is a compilation of 200 plus high converting affiliate offers out there on various platforms. You can promote these 200 plus affiliate products and make excellent commissions. Some of them are very high paying affiliate products which will pay you a lot of money. Some of them are some very basic products. You will have all kind of products, but this is an exclusive bonus that I have on offer. And if you want to know how to claim this bonus, the details are there in the description box below. The other 4 bonuses, you will be able to get hold of these bonuses when you make the purchase. It will automatically be delivered to you and you'll get access to it. But for this exclusive bonus with the 200 plus affiliate programs Rolodex, you will have to follow the process that is there in the description box below, and you'll be able to get the bonus by following the instructions there. And in addition to all of that, I have a huge list of bonuses. You can see here, these are all the bonuses that you will get instant access to. You can see here, it covers a wide variety of niches, different type of products. There are videos, courses, ebooks. You will get access to all of these bonuses if you use the link that is there in the description box below. So what's my overall verdict on Cash Swarm AI? I think it's a good purchase at $17. It helps you get rid of all of that tech aspect that is involved in creating all of the assets to promote affiliate offers or to promote offers and make money from them. So overall, if you look at it, it simplifies the entire system. So that way it is worth the cost that you'll be paying. And at $17, it is a steal of a deal. So you can go ahead and check. So go ahead, check the link that is there in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out and get Cash Swarm AI today. And if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below. So that's all that I have for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification to stay updated with all of the latest videos. That is all that I have. Until the next video, this is goodbye from Dilip.